Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Pradata, and today we want to talk to you about how we can reinvent mobility with virtual systems. So I want to start really simple. You guys can see it everywhere. It says human first vision. The name of the car is human first concept. What does that mean? What do we really mean by human first? It's really simple. When creating an experience, we think about the person first. How she goes through the world, what experiences she wants, and how we can make it better for her. And sometimes the answer is we can't do it alone. We need to work with other people because let's face it, rarely do we experience the world one product at a time, right? We're always looking at different things. We're always experiencing different things. And that was sort of the inspiration with Software Republic, where industry leaders from different domains came together and through the spirit of collaboration, cooperation, and shared knowledge, we're building a new way of mobility. And Dassault Systèmes, we're really proud to be part of this partnership. And so today, I would like to humbly take a few moments and tell you about us, Dassault Systèmes, the 3D experience company, and how we feel that virtual twins are really the way to pave the future for endless possibilities in the innovation in mobility. We are a purpose-driven company. For us, innovation and progress, it's really about making sure we're having a positive impact in the world. It's about harmonizing product, life, nature. And we have thousands of very passionate people all around the world pursuing this. We work with 15,000 partners, and we are actually one of the largest software providers, if not the most well-known, with 300,000 customers across the world. And really our belief is simple. It's that virtual worlds are meant to extend and improve the real world. But I think the video can say it much better than I can. So let's take a look at the video. That's what we mean about always thinking about what's coming next, where the industry is going. And that's our purpose, what we said, harmonizing product, nature, and life. Now, you're going to hear in the next couple of minutes the words virtual twin a lot, because that's really what we believe in, what the virtual world can do for you. But it's not just about mobility. Virtual twins extend beyond just that. And again, the video can say it better than I can. So let's take a look.
Virtual twin experiences are scientifically accurate computer models of anything. Virtual twin experiences can test any idea before you try it in real life. Virtual twin experiences also help you make sustainable choices at every step. New manufacturing plants designed with virtual twin experiences operate at top efficiency. As parts arrive and finished goods ship, virtual twins optimize transportation. They build serviceability into product design, so repairs are easy and products last longer. Virtual twin experiences optimize sustainability at every stage.
So yeah, that's what I meant. Like for us, virtual twins, it's not just cars, it's about the life. It's about everything we can imagine and all the ideas we can come through. And so for the purposes of our human first vision, it's about connecting different systems. Systems on the 3D experience platform. Systems of the car itself that you guys can see right behind you, about people, about the environment, about all the different things that need to communicate and talk to each other to create that unified experience. Starting with the human first vision itself, with the visual recognition, in-car payment, all these different ideas. But what we want to show you right now are just a little examples of what you can see right there in the booth. The full technology, the full idea of what Software République and Dassault Systèmes wanted to achieve with virtual twin visualization. So the first thing we see is, of course, audience right here, raise of hands. How many of you have rented a car before? Yeah? Okay, great. So when you rent a car, you get your key, you go look in the parking lot, you start to adjust the seats, the settings, all of that. Imagine you don't have to do any of that. You come to the car sees you, it opens the door for you, it fixes the settings, and you're ready to go. That's one of the scenarios you can see right over there. And it's not just that. That's right now. What about the future? With the virtual twin, we can test out, for example, if you want to carpool, you have a friend who wants to go somewhere with you. Yay! What about having an individualized experience for their passenger side? We can test that right now for something that will be in the future with real, accurate results. That's what we mean by imagining endless possibilities on the virtual twin. You guys, I'm sure a lot of you drive to work with a car. You know your commute, you know where the schools are, where the kids are running about, where you gotta pay attention. So you know how to predict what the risk. What about if you move to a new town? You don't know where the risk zones are. That's what we're looking at here. If your car can talk to the city, if your car is connected to smart infrastructure, and they can predict the risky zones where you need to pay attention, where you can't look at the text message that might be coming, which you shouldn't be doing anyways, then it makes everyone have a more safer, collective environment to live in. And that's one of the things that, again, everything right over there. We're just here to give you a taste. Last one. How many of you guys have driven in a big city, like Paris, or London, or New York? Yeah? And you've had experience with the guys on the scooter that kind of pop out of nowhere and you got to brake real hard so that you're not bumping into them? That's sort of so that's the scenario here. What happens if you can't see that guy coming? But guess what? Your car can with smart infrastructure. If it's able to communicate with the smart infrastructure and notify you, your car can see way more than you ever will be able to. And suddenly, you're not afraid of all the people with too many people on one scooter, let's be honest, coming at you. And you can brake, and it helps with road safety. It helps protect vulnerable passengers. So again, it's everything that you can imagine to make our experience in the world safer. Now, I've been talking for a few minutes. I want to bring over Henri for a couple more examples.
So one of the stress you may have with in mobility is the health of your car. Is your car functioning well? I have experience 2 days ago, my battery flat, and that's quite stressful. So we have technology in Software République with startups and especially ComPredict to help understanding the health of the car with virtual sensors. So we had some AI-based technologies to understand better the state of the different components. That brings a lot to ensure it is in good health and also to prepare for maintenance. That also allows us to bring value to fleet managers. to better understand what is the status of the fleet you have to manage, you can ensure that it will be well dispatched and well used. By the way, knowing better the usage of all the cars that are deployed and run in the cities can also be very good insights for engineers that will work and that continuously work on improving the vehicles and all the software embarked in the vehicles. So this is what we propose with the 3D Experience platform, to get the full continuity from engineering to usage, and from usage back to engineering, to continuously improve what we propose to the vehicles and to the mobility experience. For example, updating the software to improve the battery management. That's something that can be done continuously. And this is not only between a car maker and the users, but also all the stakeholders that contribute to the mobility experience that you have seen, like the Thales and Orange solutions. So that's it.
Thank you, Henri. All right, so let's wrap this little speech up. So it's really simple. It's about working together. It's about working together to build a new future for how we move around this world. And that's what Software République is about. And that's why Dassault Systèmes is so happy to be part of this. It's about connecting systems, it's about connecting people, and having this continuous updated vision for improvement of the future. Of course, doing it with the 3D Experience platform, where we can reinvent and think about what mobility could be next. Thank you, everybody, for your attention.